In this video, I will show you how to fix the error code 769 on Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are experiencing an error code of 769 when you're trying to teleport, follow along with me for an easy fix to resolve this problem. So here we are on my desktop. Now what you're going to want to do to fix this is come down to the bottom left hand corner to your search box and just go ahead and type settings into the search box. Next, underneath best match, go ahead and click onto the settings app to open up the settings app on your device. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click onto network and internet. So you're going to be taken to a screen like this, and what you want to do is underneath advanced network settings, you want to click onto change adapter options. That's going to go ahead and load up a screen that looks like this. Now what you want to do is locate your internet connection on here. So you're going to see the one, basically not the ones with the crosses, but the one that's got the green bars. What you're going to want to do is click onto this, right click, and then come down and click onto properties. So that's going to go ahead and open up a window like this. Now what you're going to want to do from here is locate Internet Protocol version 4, which is down here. Go ahead and click onto it, and then click onto the properties box underneath. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and change this section down here about DNS server addresses, and what you want to do is click to use the following DNS server addresses. Now in the preferred DNS server box, you want to put the following, which is 1, 1, 1, 1. And in the alternative DNS server, you want to put 1, 0, 0, 1. Once that's done, go ahead and click OK, and you can close this down. And then what you want to do is just go ahead, restart your system, and that should fix the error code 769 on Roblox. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.